So we've been out here in the desert for a little while, running a couple trails to get a baseline of what our 2019 Raptor can do here. Before we're going to go ahead and install this SuperChips tuner that comes with a screen that mounts to your windshield and all the cables to plug it into your OBD2. So we're going to go ahead and plug it in right now and check it out.
Okay, just plug it into OBD2.
Obviously our performance test, our settings, the diagnostics, gauges actually you can log in this one, but more importantly you can tune. So let's just go to the tune. So now we pulled up this menu right here. We can tune the vehicle, quick adjust, custom tuning. We're gonna, like you said, we're just gonna kind of see what the factory settings or what they recommend here from SuperChips. So we'll just get a tuned vehicle. We're gonna do 87 octane.
Doing all kinds of stuff. Huh?
Yeah, it is. It's kind of fancy. So now that we got the factory tune saved here on the computer, we're going to go ahead and install the SuperChips tune. Tune selected, it's on the 87 octane tune. We're going to accept and install. So now we're going to turn the ignition on. And we're also going to touch the screen. It's exporting the last tune right now. Right on. The vehicle has now successfully been tuned. We're going to press continue to go to the main menu. And I'm going to go to gauges and logging. We've got our exhaust temperatures right here. We've got a speedometer, RPM. Looks like we have a load indicator right here, which is really kind of cool. So yeah, fuel pressures. Obviously you can switch around, you can scroll down and work through the menu and kind of customize what you like, but there's a lot of information that this tuner has, so I think we should kind of go out there and try it and see what it actually does, right? Okay, so with this Ecoboost engine, the tuner actually woke up the turbos immensely. So it gave us more horsepower, gave us a lot more torque, and gives us way more better drivability out here in the desert. So thumbs up from us. Can't wait to go out and do some more.